Hello everybody, Steve here, and today I got another little master lock from my little collection here, and this is a little master lock number 130. So funny thing about this one is when I first started, I had the idea of kind of doing some master locks and kind of recording some of these ones. I'm like, I know I want to record some of them, and I got a few of them out and was playing with them, and I got this one out. And I think this was in a little storage case or something like that. And I pulled it out and playing around. I opened it up a few times, and then I took the key and I put it on the shackle and closed it up. Normally, I'll have a little key ring on here. And then I close it up so the keys are on there. But this one, I did that and I'm like, oh no, now the only way I can get this key off to try to use it in the lock or open it is to pick it back open. That was a couple weeks ago, and I keep trying, and it's being stubborn and will not want to cooperate. So I figured, well, let's try it. Maybe it just wants to be on camera working. I don't know, so we'll try it. But just in case, I do have a backup. This is another number 130. Both the same lock. Little buddies. These are, this is the bitting on this key. See that? It's not really that bad bitting. It does work pretty well. And if we can get it open and get the key off, then we can show that. If not, I have this backup. And if not, then I have this cable lock. This is another, it doesn't say 130 on it, but it's the same size, so, and it fills the same, everything fills the same, so it just has the cable lock on it instead. Kind of a, I like that little logo on there, the way it looks. Pretty sharp looking. Anyway, so let's try to get this little 130 open. Maybe it will behave now after a couple weeks of trying over and over again. We'll see. So let's get zoomed in here, and I will use, I think I'll use the wiper blade insert tension wrench in the top of the keyway. And I'll just use my Jimmy Long's short hook with the flat tip. And you can see the keyway. If we can get it open and get the key out, then we can test to make sure the key still works, which I know it does, but you know, we can see. So let's see, top of the keyway, pin number 1. Nice kind of muted click there, not really too much. And 2. Let's see, pin 3. They feel like they're moving, not clicking very well. So let's work back up. 4, 3. That's gonna do something. Come on. 3, 2, 1. It's a good click there. 2. Pin 3. It feels binding. A little click there. Sometimes they're sharp clicks, and sometimes it's just kind of muted. Muted, if I can talk today. Pin 4. Let's see. Let's go to the medium hook. We have more room, so the medium hook will probably do the trick better. If I can stay on the pins, Okay, so now pin 4, 3, 2, 1. These small locks, I swear, do a little exercise, kind of keep your hands stretched. Don't crack your knuckles, but anyway. These small locks, sometimes they can cramp up your hand when you're trying to pick them in hand. I do have my vise somewhere. But well, anyway, so let's try our backup. So we can at least get this 130 open. Let's just do keep on with the medium hook, and let's try back to front on this one. Number 4. Nothing there. 3. Nice click there. 2. Nice click there. Pin 1. Nice click there. Oh, I felt a little core movement there. 1, 2. So it's probably pin 4 because I didn't hear anything when we first started going through it. So let's go back there. See if we can get something going. Okay, so just kind of working, testing all the pins to make sure they're all set. Doesn't need a lot of tension, but nothing's moving. Okay, I think I'm on pin 4. It's not doing anything. Okay, come on. Usually don't have to push it up that hard. Let's try this just to see if we can get it to work. A little Z-bar tension wrench. Let's get the short hook in here. Maybe that's what I needed, is the Z-bar. Pin 1. Wow, that's pretty good movement there. Pin 1. Pretty good there. Pin 2. Don't feel anything. Pin 3. Squeeze under there. Nice click there. Pin 4. Squeeze under there. Come on, squeeze. Slipping off. Okay, I think I got pin 4 set. 3. Get a better grip on it so I'm not holding in my fingers and cramping up. The core likes to move around with pin number 1, that's for sure. So let's go to 2. There we go. Pin 2 did it. And there we have it. So at least this number 3 did behave. This number 3 is not behaving still. So there we have, that's a master lock, number 130. You can see the keyway there. Got that picked open, and I didn't show. See, there's the key with the bitting and that little lock, and it does work very well. Oop. Anyway, that's all I have for today. Thank you very much for watching. Make sure you leave some comments down below, and I will definitely keep working on this one here to try and get this key off of there. I'll get it eventually. Just maybe I'll have to try the Z-bar on that one this time. But anyway, thank you very much for watching. Make sure you leave comments down below and leave a like, and definitely subscribe. Thank you very much for watching, and have a wonderful day.